I came up for hearing of our pending preliminary objections. The objections were taken, and the court had to, deliver a ruling immediately. And the outcome of the ruling is that the matter, was incompetent, and the court had no jurisdiction to entertain the matter, and the court consequently dismissed the matter. Because among other things, we also raised the issue of abuse of court process. We also raised the issue of the fact that Federal High Court has no jurisdiction over the subject matter, not being a state high court. That is, it's only the state high court that can entertain any matter that concerns party leadership, any matter that federal government or any of its agencies is not a party, or even though it is a party, the reliefs in it are not against the federal government agency, or even if there is a relief against the federal government agency, and such a relief is an ancillary relief, the federal court will not have jurisdiction. So on that ground, the court agreed with us that it has no jurisdiction to take the matter, that the matter borders on party governance, party leadership, party membership, and that it is only the party that can resolve its dispute. It's not the duty of the court to intervene or delve into internal affairs of the political party. And what the court did is to, submit to the supremacy of the Supreme Court judgment in Onoha's case and Dahatu's case and many other cases that have since established that courts have no jurisdiction over internal affairs of political party. That political party is a free association that you have free entrance and free exit. You can come in and go. So if you are not happy with what's happening in a political party, you have the right to join another political party. You cannot hold a political party to ransom because you are a member of the party. And that is the spirit behind the decision. And we commend the court for being bold enough to take this decision. Thank you very much.
One more question. You have mentioned the court has actually ruled on your favor. How does this decision affect all that has been on since how many days now? For the past few days, where the process in court, about this ADC in court, are being biased in this ADC issue. How does this affect that matter?
No, I don't think there's any allegation in the media at the instance of ADC. There's nothing on record to show that ADC is against the court or anything. ADC submitted to the jurisdiction of the court, filed its processes, filed the preliminary objection, and even counter affidavit on the merit, and dutifully prosecuted the matter through a Leonard Sink, ROISAN, and I, as a person, I represented Regbo Shola. Another senior advocate, Suleiman Esen, represented David Mark, and other senior lawyers represented other members of the party who were sued. So the party clearly submitted to the decision of the court, respected the authority of the court, and prosecuted its matter dutifully. So there's nothing in the media at the instance of the party or its officers as listed accusing or raising an issue of bias against the court. No, we don't have any issue against the court. If anybody or any other party that is not a strategic member of the party or ESCO or the party itself has filed or said anything against the court being biased or not, it shouldn't be imputed to the party. The party believed in the court, believed in the integrity of the court, submitted to the decision of the court, and defended its position vehemently. And at the end of the day, the party came out victorious, and the judge did what the court had to do by submitting to the superior jurisdiction judgment of the Supreme Court in Onoha's case.
Thank you very much. Your name once again.
My name is Rewan Okpanachi. Rewan is spelled as Realwan. Okpanachi is Okpanachi. Thank you very much.